Chapter 6. The 12 Zodiac Signs, Your Cosmic Character Traits. Each zodiac sign is like a personality style. Think of them as 12 different characters in the sky, each with their own mood, vibe, and way of doing things. Aries, March 21st, April 19th. Fire sign, ruled by Mars. Cardinal, first sign of the zodiac. The starter, bold, fast, competitive, energetic, loves action, hates waiting, can be bossy but exciting. Keywords: brave, leader, impatient, strong-willed emoji. Vibe: Taurus, April 20th, May 20th. Earth sign, ruled by Venus. Fixed, the builder and the chill one. Loves comfort, food, beauty, nature. Slow and steady, wins the race. Can be stubborn but reliable. Keywords: loyal, grounded, calm, sensual emoji. Vibe. Gemini, May 21st, June 20th. Air sign, ruled by Mercury. Mutable, the talker and the thinker. Curious, playful, fast-talking, learns everything but finishes nothing. Can be chatty but scattered. Keywords: clever, social, quick, fun, emoji. Vibe. Cancer, June 21st, July 22nd. Water sign, ruled by the moon. Cardinal, the feeler and the protector. Nurturing, homebody, emotional, feels everything deeply, can be moody but loving. Keywords: caring, sensitive, cozy, private, emoji. Vibe. Leo, July 23rd, August 22nd. Fire sign, ruled by the sun. Fixed, the star of the show. Confident, creative, proud, generous, loves attention and giving love, can be dramatic but warm. Keywords: radiant, bold, loyal, inspiring, emoji. Vibe. Virgo, August 23, September 22, Earth sign, ruled by Mercury. Mutable, the helper and the organizer. Smart, clean, thoughtful, detail-loving, loves to fix, edit, improve, can be perfectionist but humble. Keywords: organized, thoughtful, healing, smart, emoji. Vibe. Libra, September 23rd, October 23rd. Air sign, ruled by Venus. Cardinal, the peacemaker and the beauty lover. All about balance, fairness, and style. Loves relationships and being liked. Can be indecisive but graceful. Keywords: charming, stylish, fair, romantic, emoji. Vibe. Scorpio, October 23rd, November 24th. Water sign, ruled by Pluto and Mars. Fixed, the deep one with secret eyes. Intense, emotional, powerful, private. All or nothing energy. Can be jealous but wise. Keywords: deep, loyal, intense, transformative, emoji. Vibe. The Sagittarius, November 22nd, December 21st. Fire sign, ruled by Jupiter. Mutable, the explorer and the big thinker. Loves travel, adventure, philosophy. Speaks truth, even if it's too much. Can be wild but optimistic. Keywords: free, fun, smart, brave, emoji. Vibe. Capricorn, December 22nd, January 19th. Earth sign, ruled by Saturn. Cardinal, the boss and the builder. Works hard, climbs high, loves goals. Serious but silly in private. Can be strict but wise. Keywords: ambitious, steady, mature, successful, emoji. Vibe. Aquarius, January 20th, February 18th. Air sign, ruled by Uranus. Fixed, the rebel and the genius. Thinks outside the box, helps the world. Loves friends but needs space. Can be weird but brilliant. Keywords: unique, smart, future-minded, cool. Emoji. Vibe. Pisces, February 19th, March 20th. Water sign, ruled by Neptune. Mutable, the dreamer and the healer. Feels everything. Other people's feelings too. Artistic, spiritual, magical. Can be spacey but soulful. Keywords: compassionate, creative, intuitive, gentle, emoji. Vibe. Did you know every sign has a ruling planet, an element, and a quality? Cardinal, fixed, or mutable. These 3 clues help you understand their core energy.